Welcome to the Bearded Sharpener. Today is part 4 of a series on building the Western Hunter Knife, knifekits.com. Today I will refine the blade and get everything cleaned up, and we're going to apply Wicked Wax on the handle and the blade. Near the end of the video, you'll see a microscopic image of before and after. Now we'll get started. And there's one thing I'd like to tell everyone before we get started. I decided to wet sand this blade with 1000 grit, 2000, and 3000 grit wet dry sandpaper. Then I put it on the polisher. Originally the buffing pad had 100,000 grit diamond compound on it. I decided to put the 1 micron gin diamond spray on it. This is 160,000 grit. You can see it polished up really nice. When the Wicked Wax is applied, you'll tell the big difference. Now we're going to get started. I really like these stones. I can't thank Rob enough for sending these over. And I decided I want to stand up on this one. I can see a little bit more. And no pressure. This is 4,000 grit. A little bit more water here. I like it good and wet. You wipe this off. You can see it's getting really shiny. Yeah, we'll see how sharp this is before we even put it on a straw. I'll work just a little more on that tip. Shouldn't take much. These stones are a little bit different than the Arkansas stones, but as with all of them, do not use any pressure. You're just working against yourself. I'll make a few more strokes and we'll test it again. Now that's what I wanted them to check. That is sharp. Now I'm going to set this to the side. Get the strop out. We're going to use this strop I made earlier this year. I really like this one. I usually use the horse butt, but this one does give a good edge. That will hurt you. Let's set that to the side. Just going to spray it on the whole knife. That way we can get the handle and everything clean. Go ahead and set a few seconds. We'll get this polished up. I really like the Amerigrip on here. The G10 layered with rubber gives you a good grippy feel. Now we're going to put the Wicked Wax on it. And I'm going to use this so I don't cut myself, hopefully. We'll do the handle, then we'll do the blade. Rolled out the color in this. Usually I'll buff them with a wax, but with Amerigrip, with the rubber, I decided I wanted to do it this way. And for those that haven't seen how much improvement with the Wicked Wax, you're fixed to see that too. Now that is a mirror finish. Now we'll sit down and have a few final words. Now, I hope everyone has enjoyed the series of building the Western Hunter knife from knifekits.com. I always try to do a little something different on every knife project. The sanding of a blade was one on this. I also encourage everyone to use the products that you see in this video. I have reviewed all of them and there's videos on them as well. This is the 5th kit from knifekits.com I have built this year. With that said, till next time, the Bearded Sharpener. Just a reminder for the viewers, like and subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell, you'll stay up to date on all the latest content from the Bearded Sharpener, bringing great reviews on great products. Till then, have a good day.